Hello everybody. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm doing here. I'm testing the Gable box template using this foiled cardboard stock. It's really pretty, and so I thought I would show you what I was doing and how I was doing it, and maybe some tricks, tips and tricks on how to do it. I did cut this out on my Cricut machine, used the double scoring wheel and then the deep blade for the Cricut. It looks like it's cutting it just fine. I was kind of testing to see how hard it would be to fold, and it's actually pretty good. Let me go ahead and pull this up. I did use the setting that said foil cardboard. It makes one pass at it and it seemed to cut this just fine. My blade's a little bit old, but overall it looks pretty good. You can see the score lines, and so I'm going to let you see how easy or hard it is to fold these. So I'm just going to press. That was pretty easy, I think. And then same with this. That's very nice. Yeah, it's not bad, I don't think. This is a little bit thicker cardstock or board, so I'm not sure how the art glitter glue will work with this. I might have to hold it a little bit longer, but we'll test that here in just a few minutes. So there's the first tips and tricks, and it seems like it's doing pretty good, so no complaints there. So let's let me get this cleaned up, and I'll get right back to you guys and try the assembly and see how well that goes. Thanks. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish the assembly of the Gable box using this foil. It's a funny name, sorry. It's like a poster board. I haven't done this one, so I'm just gonna finish folding these up. Again, it's folding pretty easy. Nice sturdy cardstock. And again, the concern is going to be how well the art glitter glue actually glues this together. I'm going to go ahead and fold this. Make sure everything's facing the same direction, except for I'm going to fold this and just set it on top. And this is going to be the foil, so you want to keep your fingers as clean as possible. My glue was bubbling up a little bit last time, but I think that was because there was some air. So I'm going to just line this up. Maybe we're just going to do it just like that. Again, this is critical to make sure that it's lining up correctly. Probably should have had some tissue to pick up the excess glue, but for this purpose I'm just gonna rub it out. Not bad. So let's see how well this stuck together. Yeah, it's a little bit loose, so it's going to take a little bit longer to glue, or to hold, sorry, adhere. So that just means we're going to have to be a little bit careful. We're going to go ahead and finish folding the other panels while that's drying. It's not bad. These have already been folded. See how well this does. You have to kind of yeah, I'm almost thinking we're going to need a different type of glue. Okay guys, why don't you hold on, and I'm going to go see if I can find a different glue that will work better to hold this. So hang on, hang tight, and be right back. Okay guys, I did use the hot glue gun on this to see how it was. So it's not too bad, it actually did pretty good. Really pretty cardstock. You can get this on Amazon. I'll try to put the link down below. Yeah, seems to be holding pretty good. Very nice. Alright, we're just gonna, doesn't quite fold back as easier, but it still works. That's just gonna bring a lot more sturdiness to the whole design. So if you have a heavier product or something like that, it should be okay. Okay, hold that down, fold that in. Looks nice. Yeah, did pretty good. All right, we're just going to follow the same process. Boy, this is nice and sturdy. I like that. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead, for the sake of everything, just go ahead and add more glue. And of course, now we're clogged. All right. Use the pen to get that out. And we're going to put our bottom support piece in just like we do all the others. Put that in. Very nice. Yeah, I don't think this glue is going to. Better off to use the hot glue. I keep forgetting, keep going back to my art glitter because I'm so used to using it. Use a handy dandy candle. Really do. Wow, really sturdy. Like that a bunch. Okay, there you go, guys. I'm just gonna, yeah, that's pretty, very sturdy. I like that. Let's see how this does in bending and folding into the closing of the box. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Of course, keep your hands clean when you're using that stuff. This is for sure, but there you have it. I'm sure there's some other ones that worked really nice. There you go, guys. There was a nice test for you. Have a great one, and talk to you guys later.